Hi students, today we are going to learn use of properties of parallel lines. Here let us prove a property of a triangle using the properties of angles made by a transversal of parallel lines. Let us see here the property of triangle in the form of theorem. The statement is such that the sum of measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. I think you are well known about that statement. Let us see what will be the figure for that. According to the statement, now we are going to draw a figure. That figure will be is of triangle. Here triangle ABC. Now from this figure and statement we will write the given. Let us see what will be the given. Triangle ABC is any triangle. This is the given. Now tell me what will be the to prove. Think about that. Yes, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. That is the sum of measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is to prove. Now to prove this we are going to do a construction such that draw a line parallel to segment BC and passing through A. On the line take points P and Q such that P dash A dash Q, nothing but A is in between P and Q, as well as P, A and Q are collinear. Now we will write the proof. Let us see here. Line PQ parallel line BC and segment AB is a transversal, and therefore here angle ABC is equal to angle PAB. Do you know why these two angles are equal? Yes, because they are alternate angles and therefore they are of equal measure. This is the statement first. Now line PQ parallel line BC and segment AC is the transversal, and therefore again here angle ACB is equal to angle QAC. Again here the reason is alternate angles. This is statement second. Now from statement first and second, here by adding these two statements, what we get here? Angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to angle PAB plus angle QAC. This is statement 3. Again now adding angle BAC to both the sides of statement 3. Then what we get here? Let us see on left hand side. By adding angle BAC, what we get? Angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to angle PAB plus angle QAC plus angle BAC. Okay. Now let us see, that is equal to angle PAB plus angle BAC. This angle comes here plus angle QAC. Here we know that angle PAB plus angle BAC is equal to, what is that? Angle PAC, and therefore what we write here? That is equal to angle PAC plus angle QAC, and therefore again see here the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Why it is so? Because these two angles are in linear pair, and therefore the sum of angles in linear pair is equal to 180 degree, and therefore what we write here? That is equal to 180 degree. In this way we can prove that the sum of measures of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree.